Alright, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to talk about Drift. So Drift is a Solana project, it's an upcoming Solana project that wants to implement futures trading on a DEX. What I mean by DEX, I mean decentralized exchanges. For those that don't know what a DEX means, unlike centralized exchanges just like Binance and Bybit. So they are trying to implement futures trading whereby traders can be able to predict the market. If you know about futures trading on Binance as an experienced trader or somebody that knows something about futures trading, you will find that it's only on centralized exchanges that they do all those kind of things. Well, they want to implement it on a DEX. So this is their main goal or something about them. So they say that a lightning fast and scalable perpetual futures DEX. So trading futures on a DEX, that's what they are trying to do. So if you go through here, you can read their light paper, that is when you're free. So their goal is to change our perspective of a DEX. Usually DEXs these times are kind of probably slow, they don't respond fast, their sleep rate is high and all those kind of things. So they are trying to change all those mindsets and give us traders a new trading experience. So Drift's goal is to bring in a state-of-the-art trader-centric experience from centralized exchanges on chain. So I think they are a bunch of two set of people, DeFi people and traditional finance people working together trying to make this thing work. I think I've chatted with one of the dev and I think based on what we've been saying, it's looking promising and their community is looking promising. So these are what they say we should be expecting from the DEX. Probably they should be launching their DevNet by next month. So
okay, the video came a little bit late and it was technically my fault and not my fault at the same time. So what I've tried to do is to try and meet up on first. They have actually launched the DevNet or testnet, for example. So people actually apply if you want to be part of the testnet. So the testnet link will be in the description below. You can register with your Discord link and all the other stuff that you want to register with. I just it. And continue the video.
So they said they want to give us a fast, responsive trading experience. Let's see how that is going to be. And they are going to bring in this full cross-margin trading support, whereby you can open multiple positions, just like the way you do on Bybit and Binance. Then they now have a virtual automated market maker that will be providing liquidity. So any coin that is listed or any token that is listed can just be traded once instantly. Then they want to make it free, that is by making it permissionless, based on how they are going to design it so that you can just be able to trade anytime you like and anywhere or anything. So, and they also want to make their pricing transparent. So you get to see a transparent pricing that is not manipulated. You understand? So that is just what they are trying to do. And they will be launching their DevNet, as I said earlier before, by next month. So today is 31st. We should be expecting something from them starting from 1st, because this is 31st of August. So starting from 1st, something should be coming up. So this is their light paper. If you go through their light paper, you will see how they want to build their projects. They design every single thing, the overview, their block diagram, probably their flowchart and a little bit of codes, you understand? So how all those things are going to be implemented is in their light paper. So just visit the link and you see it, and I also put it in the link in the description. Then you can visit their Discord community. I'm part of their Discord community. It's in their Discord community that you learn more about their project. This is the Discord community, Drift Protocol. So just be part of the community if you're interested in the project. to know more about what is going to happen, their funding and all those things, and when they release their token for their decks and all those kind of stuff. So that is just all for this video. It's just a brief intro about this new project coming up. So just keep an eye on it. I think it's one of the projects to keep an eye on because I've not seen there are few DEXs that introduce futures trading into their platform. So you just keep an eye on it. Alright, thanks for watching. Try and subscribe. We'll be seeing around.